Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin and this is the Real Laptop Lifestyle. Today's video is about WordPress mastery and generating ongoing profits. So let's get straight into it. Master WordPress and you are going to start generating ongoing streams of profit. So what you're going to discover in this short video is the fastest way to develop essential WordPress understanding. When you develop that, then you're going to know how to optimize your visitor engagement. Now, what I mean by this is literally the people who come to your site, how do you handle them right now? Because believe me, most websites get it completely wrong and they earn a very small sum per person who arrives at their website. When you get this right, the simple actions, what you need to do, you're going to have a very high ROI, return on investment. Remember that word will be mentioned again on every visitor that comes for your site, because if you get it right, they're going to start taking the actions that are going to put them onto your list. The actions will start putting money into your pocket. Stay to the end of this video and I'll show you a way of getting more videos like this one, which will help you make ongoing profit. So this next section I've called FAQ, which stands for frequently asked questions, because these are questions I am frequently asked. Do you need a website? Well, if you intend to make money online using the laptop lifestyle or work from home or whatever, even starting a small business, the chances are you are going to need a website. If you're doing online profit generation, you'll probably need many websites. I think I have 9 or 10, something like that. It doesn't mean you need them all right now, today. You start with one, it starts making you money, you put another stream in, and they build up that way. Yes, you definitely need a website if you plan on making money off the internet. So I'm also asked, why do most websites fail to generate profits? And the answer to that is really simple. They do it incorrectly. They take advice from the wrong area. They don't get it optimized. It loads slow. And when people get there, they can't see what they want. They fail to engage their customers or potential customers. What type of website should you have? Well, you definitely need a WordPress website because you can do everything yourself. You don't need anyone else to help you. And that's why I'm promoting this particular product, Easy WordPress Engagement, because it'll show you how to do everything. And best of all, it's going to show you how to engage the customer. WordPress comes with lots of plugins. They're all very inexpensive. And some of these will do lots of things for you, making it easy to track your customers, get customers, etc., etc., etc. So what are the most important aspects of a profitable website? Engaging your customer, understanding them, getting them to take the action you want so you can help them. The solution is called Easy WordPress Engagement, and I'm going to show this to you in just a moment. Now, please listen carefully. If your website isn't presently working for you, it's then probably working against you. What do I mean by that? Well, nowadays, nearly all first contacts are via the internet and via people's website. So if potential customers, potential probable purchasers and prospects arrive at your website and it doesn't look very good, or it takes forever to load, or you haven't got exactly what they need on view straight away, guess what? Lost opportunity. You probably lost a very good customer, who would have been a good customer if they'd seen what they wanted and you'd treated them correctly. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to learn about engagement. If you use the information in Easy WordPress Engagement, it was going to literally explode your potential, not from that, but right out here somewhere. It comes with a full money back guarantee. And by the way, it's very inexpensive, as you're about to see. Now, these come as 8 videos, and there's no better way of learning because you're looking right over somebody's shoulder as they do it. Then you can repeat it on your website. Remember that word, ROI? Well, if you use Easy WordPress Engagement, not only will it expand your website and give you potential there, but you can resell the product. So not just once, you can resell that product again and again and again and again. So you can actually use this as an income stream. So products don't come much better than this. And by the way, most important of all, I have some amazing bonuses for you. In just a little while, I'll be showing them to you, and these will knock your hat off. So stay with me. Okay, so here we are on the Easy WordPress Engagement website, and I've highlighted a few things that I think are important just to go over. So we'll go through them very quickly before we get to the bonuses I have for you. You're going to learn how easy it is to increase engagement. And that's going to lead to more leads, more sales, more profits. What more do you want? You're going to watch, as I said already, over the shoulder. And here's an introduction video that you're going to be able to look at yourself for a minute, watching your own time. Now, it's very simple. The more your customers engage with you, the more they will come to know you, like you, and trust you, the more money you'll make. So what there are here are 8 videos. And as I've already said once, they're going to bring you more leads and sales, even if you're a newbie. It doesn't matter if you've just started. This is an essential course for you. They're going to make it easy for you to customize these videos as your own brand. As I said, you can resell them. So that's what PLR stands for. So anyway, here are the 8 videos. And one of the first videos, you've got a sort of overview, number 1. Number 2 is going to be looking at your site load speed. Now, if your site doesn't load quickly, I mean, speed impressive, but if your site doesn't load quickly, then believe me, they're going to fall to sleep and they're going to be gone. So you need to have it loading under 10 seconds. By the way, you need to go to the Real Laptop Lifestyle. That loads in under a second. I'll tell you how to do it in other videos. Okay, video 3. So it shows you how to speed up your website using plugins. Some plugins are quite amazing. Some are quite expensive. Some are free. The bit I like most here, you've got 3 videos which are all on engagement. They're going to show you what people want and don't want on your website. You know that you need to know what they're looking for. They need to see it very quickly. And these 3 videos will help you with that. Number 8, probably the most important of all, is going to show you how you can get them onto your mailing list. Now, 85% of my income comes from email marketing. So to me, email is absolutely essential. And when you've got the skills of getting people onto your mail list and you know how to bring them in, well, you've really got a skill that's going to last you for the rest of your life and go and pay you every day. So what else have I highlighted? Let's go here. They've got 20 ways you can make money from this PLR package. And you'll be on this page later, so I'm not going to go through them all. But what I do like is you can sell the video series directly. You can sell it on Kindle, Amazon Kindle. How about that? So that means you could repurpose it in some way. And you've got a whole course here. So you've suddenly got an ebook with videos in it. You could turn it into an email series, a sequence. Or how about coaching? Yeah, what could you coach on? I don't know. Well, now you can coach on, if you've got this course and after you've mastered it, you could actually coach on WordPress sites. You could build your own course, or you could coach live. You could build a huge email list or use it for newsletters. So what I'd like to show you now is the bonuses I have for you. So here we go. So here we are on my Easy WordPress Engagement bonus site. Now, if you click the link directly below this video, right below the video, you'll see a link. Click that, it'll bring you through here. And you're going to be able to watch this video. I'm not going to play it through now, but you're going to be able to watch this video and get an update on all of the bonuses, basically, all of the benefits to you. How much is it going to cost? Are you sitting down? It's going to cost you between $8 and $17. Now, the reason for that is it'll start on what they call a dime sale. It'll start at £8 and it will constantly go up and up and up and up till it reaches the maximum of $17. I saw the value in this piece of software, and that's why I wanted to promote it, because I could see I'm being asked so many questions about WordPress all the time. That's why I decided to promote it. However, the person who actually has created this, he hasn't told us much about one-time offers. That means that when you bought this, they might offer you something else. Do you want to take the professional version of this and this and this and this and this? Now, I know there are 3 or 4 additional offers. None of them are expensive. They're all probably about $12, $15 at most. And some of them will really help you to grow your business. So for $8, between $8 and $17, you get all 8 videos and the right to sell them. There's a bargain. And I'm going to give you some bonuses. Now, you only get these bonuses through me. So you come to this page And if you buy through this link, I'll show you in a minute, you're going to get this book, Instagram Marketing Made Simple and Profitable. Now, I presume you're looking for ways of driving traffic and building your online presence. That's why I'm giving you this. How to explode your YouTube channel. Now, this is my YouTube channel I'm trying to explode now. It's a great way of getting new people into your sphere of influence. So you might be interested in that also. This is actually another product. Now, the reason I've included this, it was actually quite expensive and been sold a while ago, but I know two people who make regular income on this still to this day. It's only a few months old, and they make ongoing profits. One makes all of his profit from this, and he's just recently given up his job after about 2 months of doing it. I'm also going to give you two Facebook bonuses here. The reason is Facebook, I make money off Facebook. I find it the easiest place to drive traffic from. So remember, you get all of these if you click on this link here. You click on this link here, it will take you through to the payment page, or it'll take you through to the product page. You can look at everything again if you want. But if you buy through this link, then you will, when you go to pick up your product, you'll get your product from here. It'll say access your purchase, and underneath it'll say affiliate bonuses. Now, if you click that, you're going to get all of these bonuses up above. They're all for you. Please remember, click on the link directly below this video and it'll take you straight to the bonus page. If you have any comments or questions, please write them below. I'd love to know what you actually thought of this video. If you liked it, please give it the thumbs up. If you didn't, give it the thumbs down, but I prefer the thumbs up. And also, please subscribe to this channel. If you subscribe to this channel, every time you come into YouTube, if you click the little bell, I will tell you about every new video that I've recorded, which will help to make you money. Also, I said I'd give you a way of staying in touch and getting lots more information that will help make you money online. And that's by joining my email list. I have an email list called Profit Generating Email. And to join it, all you have to do is on the front of this YouTube site, you can see there's a little green arrow there. You won't see it on the page, but right above there's a globe. If you click that, that will take you straight through to this page where you can subscribe. Anyway, it's been really fun making this video for you. I wish you lots of luck, and I look forward to speaking to you again in the next video, perhaps even in one of my emails. So until then, bye-bye for now.